In this video, we see that SpaceX is making progress on the Starship production line, with the orbital tank farm being upgraded and new foundations being set up to accommodate horizontal tanks that will be easier to maintain. Workers are also putting together intriguing pipes, potentially for a fuel offloading system, and progress is being made on the orbital launch integration tower. However, there is no sign of the quick disconnect arms or the new hold-down clamps promised by Elon Musk by the end of June. Meanwhile, ships 28 and 29 are being prepared for cryogenic pressure tests and hull assembly respectively, while ship 25 has been unhooked from the crane, pointing to a static fire test on the horizon. In this section, the video discusses the progress made on the building of the Starship Launch Pad. While there is still a lot of work to be done, such as the installation of air flaps, avionics cables, plumbing, and other internal components, the last chip from the 20 series has been rolled out, indicating a shift towards newer prototypes. The Starbase expansion phase has begun, and the first few pillars of the Star Factory, which will increase prototype production to new levels, have been erected. The inventory tent, which contains parts for the water-cooled steel plate assembly, may not be dismantled but may have a bigger door constructed to fit the assembled sections of the plate. A ramp is also being constructed at the Sanchez site, whose exact purpose is still unknown, but speculation is that it could be a plume diverter or a component of a diverter system for a suborbital launch pad. In this section, the transcript discusses the activity of the MESI's test site, which is getting ready for extensive testing in the near future. The Booster 6A explosive flight termination system tests are being removed while the booster quick disconnect arm and concrete structure for the booster test stand is being constructed. Additionally, the stress cage is being dismantled to clear the North Carolina 31 test article that had been destroyed there a long time ago. The announcement of an airspace closure from ground level up to 600 meters above MESI's on June 2 suggests that there could be extensive pressure testing on the site soon. The video concludes by discussing the postponed psych mission, which was originally scheduled for launch in July 2022 but didn't occur due to software problems and staff shortages. The mission aims to study an asteroid to gain valuable insights into the building blocks of terrestrial planets. In this section, we learn about recent developments in space missions around the world. The Veritas mission has been postponed until October 5, delaying its arrival at the planet Psyche until 2029. China has experienced greater success, with the Shenzhou 16 mission delivering 3 passengers to the Tianhe space station. Finally, the Vulcan Centaur rocket has experienced delays but could soon successfully complete its maiden flight to the moon. Thanks for watching and encouraging to like and subscribe to the channel. The host also promotes a new t-shirt for sale and suggests viewers watch another video to learn more about space and rockets.